Welcome back, nature enthusiasts. Today we are diving deep into the animal kingdom to uncover the top 5 most dangerous creatures you should never touch, and I mean never attempt to touch. From vibrant but deadly frogs to stealthy ocean predator, our list is sure to give you a newfound respect for the wild. So buckle up and join us on the thrilling side as we explore the top 5 most dangerous animals you should never touch. Number 1. Blue ring octopus. Kicking off our list is a creature with beauty that conceals a lethal secret. The blue ring octopus, despite its small size and stunning appearance, the cephalopod is armed with a potent neutron toxin that can lead to respiratory failure and death within minutes. Found in the water of the Indo-Pacific, the blue ring that give its name are a warning sign not to be underestimated. Make no mistake, this tiny octopus is not to be touched. Admired from a distance is the only safe way to appreciate its beauty. Number 2. Golden Pigeon Frog. Next up we have the Golden Pigeon Frog, a species native to the rainforest of Central and South America. Don't be fooled by its striking color. These vibrant hues are a clear indication of its toxicity. The golden pigeon frog skin contain a powerful neutron toxin that can cause paralysis and even death. Local indigenous people have been known to use a frog's toxic secretion to poison the tip of their blow darts for hunting. This beautiful amphibian is a prime example of nature's way of saying, look but don't touch. Number 3. Conch shells. Now let's shift our focus to the ocean floor where the seemingly harmless conch shell reside. This marine snail may appear delicate, but they pack a venomous punch. The venom of some conch snail species is potent enough to paralyze their prey instantly. Unfortunately, this shell can be tempting to collector, but handling them can result in a painful and potentially fatal sting. So when it comes to conch shell, it's best to appreciate them in their natural habitat and leave them undisturbed. Number 4. Box jellyfish. Venturing into the ocean, our next contender is the box jellyfish. With its transparent body and long tentacles, this ocean developing creature might seem mesmerizing, but make no mistake, it's one of the venomous animals on the planet. Found in the water of the Indo-Pacific region, the box jellyfish delivers a venom that attacks the heart, nervous system and skin cell. Encounter with its jellyfish can lead to excruciating pain, cardiac arrest, and in extreme cases death. So if you spot one, keep your distance and admire its beauty from afar. Number 5. Brazilian wandering spider. Rounding off our list is the Brazilian wandering spider, also known as the arm spider. This arachnid is notorious for its potent venom and aggressive behavior. Found in South America, the Brazilian wandering spider bite can cause intense pain, muscle paralysis, and in some cases respiratory failure. What makes them particularly dangerous is the tendency to wander into human habitats, increasing the risk of accidental encounter. Needless to say, it's best to steer clear of this eight-legged creature and let them go about their business in their wild. And there you have it, folks. The top 5 dangerous animals you should never touch. Nature's wonder are indeed fascinating, but it's crucial to remember that some creatures are best admired from a safe distance. Stay curious, stay safe, and join us next time as we explore more of the incredible world around us. Until then, take care and happy exploring.